while since I recorded. Testing out this banner. There are lots of bubbles, but again, I'm just testing it out. This one isn't permanent. Like, I even tried to put like the little white thingy back here, but I accidentally did it uncensored. But yeah, for like, I forget how much I paid for this, like 20 bucks or something. Yeah. Next time I'm definitely going to get I'm gonna spend a couple dollars more and see if I could get the one that is like bubble proof. But let's show you guys how it looks from here. Pretty good. And now I'm going to trim the banner up a little bit so I can see more when I'm doing POV. I should have actually angled the thing up some more, but yeah, I really don't care. So let me do that really quick. But yeah, that's not bad, you know. Yeah, the camera's dirty. Hold on. Okay, that's better. Hopefully the rest of the shots weren't that blurry, but I did just notice it. But yeah, this does look cool. I'm probably just gonna end up cutting this thing because it's really, there's no use for this, and it be blocking where I park the car. Because like, look at this thing is like destroying my pictures and angles and stuff. But yeah, this looks cool. I'm gonna, like, if I keep this car, I'm going to have it for a while. But if I like keep this car for real, I'm gonna get like a wing, if not an LTW, then a GT wing, and I'll run one like on the underside of the wing and stuff like that. Because like, I need to start promoting myself more in my channel, my brand, everything like that. But this car really needs to get washed. Somehow when we were at the paintball place, I'm hoping that it just like somebody shot a paintball in the air and it went over and hit the car, and it wasn't like malicious. But yeah, I really do not like people doing things to my car. But yeah, the car definitely needs to get washed. As you can see, the wheels are like dark bronze because of the brake dust. It's to the point where even the back ones are getting bronze, and that's not good. The roof is full of bird droppings. Thanks, Mother Nature, you're wonderful. But yeah, I haven't driven the car in a couple days because I haven't really went anywhere. The weather's been trash. I've had consistent migraines literally every day, so it's just like I couldn't do anything. But I'm pretty sure it's actually gonna rain. But I'm gonna check the weather, and if it's not gonna rain, I'm gonna wash the car. If it is gonna rain, I'll do that tomorrow, and I'll continue the video tomorrow. But for right now, I'm actually pretty happy with the outcome of the window banner, and I'm going to be running one on the yellow car as well. So yeah, I just need to get one because this one's pretty decent. I'm gonna see if I could do something a little better for the yellow car, like do something a little different or whatever. But yeah, one thing I'm definitely gonna do with this car is flock the dash, like the top part. I'm gonna, when they take the windshield out, I'm gonna see if they'll be able to like take it out one day, come back and put the glass in, so I can like clean everything down here, because there's like leaves down here, and so I want to clean this out, flock the dash, then put it back. Hopefully they could do that, because taking out this dash is really a pain in the ass, and I do not want to do that. So yeah, I also have to get a new steering wheel because that one's really gross. But let's see what the view is like from inside the car, because that I did not do. That's actually way better. Look at that. Now I have this whole like field of view, so when I have the head cam on, you guys will be able to see outside, because it's really annoying to not be able to see. But yeah, this is actually, I'm gonna upload this video and then do the car wash and whatever else, because it is gonna rain. So yeah, and shout out to Mishimoto, this thing smells really good. Yeah, it's the headliner. So like, most of the interior is black, and you're probably wondering like, what am I gonna do with this? I'm gonna get the Hard Motorsports plastic door card thingies, and then for the back I'm gonna make my own rear seat delete panels for the bottom and this part, so that'll be in videos coming up. I just need to find somewhere that has aluminum sheets big enough to do it. If not, I'll do ABS plastic, but I really don't want to do ABS plastic. Like, I'm not too much of a fan of that material. because cutting it for one is really bad. Like, it melts and then you have to like sand it down. It's actually not really bad, but it's kind of annoying because the way it melts and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out and do it because I want to get this interior like tidied up a bit more. I really am not a fan of this whole thing. And depending on how far I go with it, like again, if I keep the car, I'm gonna do what is it, polycarbonate windows for at least the doors in these rear parts. I mean, for at least the doors. I'll leave these two rear parts, but like that, like if I keep the car, I want to go like all out and do this like as lightweight as possible and everything. But you know, for now I'm just gonna worry about cleaning it up and jiving it a little and focusing on the Dacker. So I'm actually gonna check with John and see when we're gonna start doing that, because I know he's been super duper backed up. But that's a project I really want to do because I really need to drive a boosted car. This car is so painfully slow. Like I can't do this. So yeah, I'll get you guys in the next clip, which will most likely be tomorrow when I'm washing the car. All right, so you guys can see the car is super dirty. It's real gross. The paint on this thing is already bad. I'm considering over fenders, but you know, I'm considering it a lot because again, I still don't even know if I'm keeping the car. But yeah, we're gonna wash it up and wipe everything down. But you know, I saw the thing go. See, this is how they get you for your money. Look at this. Bruh. All the blood clots are going to this thing, man. Alright, so the worst vlogger in the world is back. I completely forgot to record the wash process. I'm such an idiot. Like, that was the whole point of me coming here, but car looks okay. Again, I never wash this thing for it to be perfect because this car's paint is trash. So I just like clean it up, do the tires, do the wheels, make it look somewhat presentable. But yeah, looks decent. So we're gonna go home now. I'm probably gonna see if one of my friends wants to get her car washed. It's her birthday, like this weekend or something. So yeah, if we do, I'll record that. But yeah, I don't think I didn't bring the head cam with me or anything, so I won't be getting any driving footage right now, but maybe later. But yeah, time to, you know, head home. Because I also ate tacos at that same taco spot I always go to. I think I have a picture, so if I remember, I'll post it like here. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. If there is no next clip and I'm an idiot per usual, I will get back to you guys in the next video. So if I'm stupid, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Jesus Christ, I'm spitting a lot because I've been thinking about tacos, even though I just ate tacos. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. What I'm probably gonna do is take the middle muffler off. I don't even know why I'm saying this right now, but I'm probably gonna take the middle muffler off because the car is just so low. Well, not the car is so low, but it sits so low that it's really annoying. So the car's gonna be a bit louder. I hope it's not too much louder, but yeah. All right, well, I'll catch y'all. Blue face, baby.